Okay, everyone. My name is John from China. I export this kind of machine, welding machine. This is a common Windows system. Use a Bluetooth software. Here is a gas cylinder. The gas is used to cool the welding gun because it's very hot. And here is a ground rail. The machine can move forward and back. Here is the workpiece they put here to show how to weld. Here is our 6-axis robot and the smart system I introduced for you. That black long one is the scanning device, and this black box is the SIM tracker. The gun, it helps the gun to find where is the SIM is. And here is the anti-wire feeder. Here is the gun cleaner. Here is a servo motor. It helps the whole machine move left and right. Here is an anti-welding machine. 500 ampere. The white box contains the controller of the robot, and there are so many cables. For example, this one connects the welding machine and this controller. The whole system are connected, so they transport the signals, and so the software can control the whole system. Thank you.